Now pound yen, I'm sorry, euro yen is at a 5-minute level here. Okay, let me look at the euro yen grid. But see, dollar yen is tanking. Dollar yen all of a sudden started tanking here. But here's euro yen. Well, that's the 1-minute chart. What I wanted to look at is the 5-minute. And it looks like it just bounced off it. Alright, there's the 5-minute. White zone's expanding. Boom. One there. One there. Now we're just here at the 5-minute level. Just going to throw this down here on the this here is euro yen 5-minute. If euro dollar is going to move up, problem is dollar yen. Which is completely tanking. But there goes pound dollar on to higher ground. This pound yen, this pound dollar, I'm sure will take it on up to 12 eventually. Euro yen is breaking down. So I'll leave euro yen alone for a minute.
What would that indicate? Is the yen?
Yen strength. Because dollar yen, euro yen, pound yen are all dropping, so we got yen strength, no question. We also have dollar weakness. Dollar yen is the best idea on the yen strength, dollar weakness. But we got to wait for a pullback up to 50 before going short dollar yen, and the roads are not very clear. Meanwhile, pound dollar is just not giving up. Okay, euro dollar is starting to perk up, and we got a little spike action on euro yen. Yeah, well, it's starting to actually crack into new highs now. And if dollar yen can kind of slow up its downward move, then euro yen might pick up from here. So I'm looking at euro yen for potential long. It's a little bit. But I'm going to try a long here on euro yen. Alright, I'm in at 88. Long euro yen. And we're at a 5-minute level. We got euro dollar looking like it's going to take off in its clear roads. We got dollar yen down. It's just taking a move lower, but it's at this 4-column roadblock that's having a hard time getting under. So what I want to see is euro dollar shoot up and dollar yen kind of bounce back up to its boxes, and that would give euro yen some potential to the upside. And I'm more interested in preserving what we've made and maybe adding a little something to it. So I'm not going to be looking for a big, huge thing here, but a little confirmation would be nice. Maybe a trip to the 1-minute boxes, maybe a little higher. We'll see. But I do like initially what I'm seeing off the 5-minute box. Starting to get, you know, a little green here. We'll see what happens on this new candle that's starting to form. You know what I said? Again, what we want to see is euro-dollar start moving up. Huh?
Euro has managed to pull back.
I know. The fact that euro is not pulling back is fine. Now we just need dollar-yen to just have a little bounce. And that bounce up on dollar-yen will help euro-yen move up. Alright, now we're starting to see some upward movement. Pound-dollar starting to move up. Okay, euro-dollar is testing the 78, so we want to see the 78 get broken to the upside. We're starting to see our candles work out here. We want to break the 5-minute chart of euro-yen. I'll show you. So it's a 5-minute euro-yen, so this is the 5-minute band shade, and we see that right here at 89, right here at the 1-minute box as well. So unfortunately, we're going to have to take something here probably at this 1-minute box. Alright, like I said, it's not necessarily what I want to take here, but I'm going to have to take 5 on half just because it will stop to break even, because I want to protect what we've got. Alright, so I got a break even stop. And I'm not going to hold it long because, you know, all this noise, I mean, I'm sure going to stop us out if we do. You know, I'm just going to watch the price action and see if we can't get a little break.
Market's still up at 177.
But I got my stop at 88 on the euro yen. So break even on the second half. There we go, +6, +7, +8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, yours.
Come on. Alright, we'll take +15 on that one, 03. Alright. You got, oh Wayne, you got it, man. Alright, that was a nice little 5 minutes. It's probably going to go. Don't get me wrong, this thing can go higher. Now we're in clear roads again. This is where we got in. 5-minute entry. There's the 5-minute box here. So you can see, that's what we did. We took 5 on half. So, and this was gravy points. I was just trying to add a little bit to what we had done.